So you want to try meditation? This is how you got to do it, okay? You're only just going to take about 3 minutes of your day, because honestly, research says that if you take 3 minutes of your day, it can make the difference in your life. And what you want to do is just sit there and breathe. Focus on your breath. Focus on what's going in your nose and out your nose, and really paying attention to what's going on with your body. Once you figure out what's going on with your body, aches, pains, cool, heat, then let's think about your thoughts. Because when you think about your thoughts and what's going on, you have control of that. And once you finish that, then think about how those things are going to impact your day, impact your relationships, how they're going to impact when you go to work, because those are the things that happen in your daily life. And once you figure that out, the sky's the limit, because then you can re-regulate yourself back to you, because hey, life happens. So once it happens, let's see if we can get back to the regular and breathe deep.